We are thrilled to share that we have officially become a member of the Roofing and Solar Reform Alliance, RSRA. This alliance represents a significant step forward for our organization as we join forces with industry leaders and top-tier contractors to drive positive change within the roofing and solar sectors. As members of RSRA, we are fully committed to advancing the cause, growing our business, and making a lasting impact. We are eager to roll up our sleeves and get into the trenches alongside like-minded professionals who share our passion for excellence and innovation. As part of our membership, we've taken the RSRA Pledge, which outlines our commitment to upholding the highest standards in our operations. Number one, delivering an amazing customer service experience. We are dedicated to exceeding our customers' expectations at every opportunity, ensuring that their needs are met with professionalism, care, and attention to detail. Number two, providing a transparent and educational sales experience. We believe in empowering our customers with knowledge and information, providing clear and honest guidance throughout the sales process to help make informed decisions. Number three, taking extreme ownership as leaders. We embrace a culture of accountability and responsibility, both as individuals and as a team, always striving to lead by example and inspire others to do the same. Number four, creating a culture of pride. We are committed to fostering a workplace culture where both our customers and employees feel valued, respected, and proud to be part of our organization. Number five, being stewards to our community and industry. We recognize the importance of giving back and making a positive impact on the communities we serve and the roofing industry as a whole, acting as responsible stewards of our resources and influence. The RSRA has earned recognition from reputable news outlets such as Fox News, ABC, CBS, NBC, and USA Today, underscoring its significance and credibility within the industry. We are excited to be part of an alliance that is dedicated to supporting property owners and contractors alike. To learn more about how the RSRA is making a difference and supporting our industry, visit their website. We look forward to leveraging our membership to drive meaningful change, grow our business, and contribute to a brighter future for everybody. My name is Dan Kaczynski with Total Restoration Services. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for listening.